Technology is everywhere around us. For every breakthrough in hardware, there is innovation in programming to make use of that hardware. From the first cell phones with pixelated low-resolution displays to the high-resolution, high-definition screens present today in smartphones, there was programming involved to make use of that hardware. However basic the hardware may have been in the past, or however complicated in the present, when cell phones were first introduced, their only function was to make and receive calls. Since then, advancements in technology have produced powerful processors that are small enough to put in our mobile phones. But what good are these processors if there is no program written to utilize them? From making phone calls, texting, using social apps, to video calling, these phones allow us to connect with people because of the software that has been programmed for these phones. Now, in this new era of smartphones, our phones are a lot more than just phones. They are an extension of ourselves because of software programming. With more and more complex software being written, there has been a huge increase in software programmers in the past few decades. Apple's iPhone has a large community of app programmers. You can pretty much find an app for anything. The programmers must program code specifically for the iPhone's operating system when developing an app. An app that is programmed for an iPhone operating system will not work on any other operating system. The Android operating system is open source, so programmers can modify it as needed for their specific hardware that is in their phones. Android is an operating system that is used across a large number of manufacturers, which gives you the ability to use an app on various phones that have the Android operating system, unlike the iPhone. Microsoft has also revamped their mobile operating system and can also be installed on various branded smartphones. Programming for smartphones has led to a lot of innovations, such as this leveling app called iHandy, and one of my personal favorites, Dynalicious. This app can detect your G-forces while braking and accelerating. It also tracks the amount of time your car can go from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, your quarter-mile time, and how much horsepower and torque you're putting to the wheels. Software programming for cell phones has come a long way, and this is only just the beginning.